Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Moderna. Reason for this technical analysis is that we can see the stock did fall a little over 11% on the day alone. So we're looking at where do we have targets to the upside and where are kind of low risk buy opportunities if this price does continue to fall. So where we are right now is somewhat considered low risk just because we are below the first deviation. Take into account that this stock was such a big mover late last year that buying at first deviation can still be seen as somewhat risky just because you could consider it somewhat of a hype stock last year. So instead we'll be looking at the safer deviations of the second and third deviations, and that's actually one target we can see coming up, and that's around $121 will be coming into the second deviation on the daily chart. And this is where, if you're looking to get long on Moderna, we'd probably be looking to get long, just because it's the closest deviation below well, at the second deviation. And where would our target be on this? Again, it's depending on how you're trading it, your outlook on the stock, and how long you're looking to hold it for. But a short and kind of a closer time or a smaller time frame position that we'd be looking to trade it to is around $160, because that would be back to the closest deviation, which is the first deviation on the daily. And again, if we are getting long at this level, where's going to be our next target? 217, again, first deviation on daily, so that will be a target. And our final target would be around $245, because that is statistical mean on the 4 hour, and that is the closest statistical mean of the two. And again, we only ever look to trade to the statistical mean because that's where stocks reverse to. From there, it's more of a gamble whether it will go up or down. So on the safe side, we usually just lock in our position. Now, if the stock does continue down even lower, our next buy zone would be $76, and on an extreme low, which I mean, if it came down to $26, that would be a buy zone. But if we did see it kind of fall down to that level, probably something we're not looking to trade just because it's been so oversold. Obviously, as well, if it does continue down lower, think about the $100 level. There's no standard deviation there, but will be a strong psychological level, so definitely something we'll be looking at for heavy support. But really, these are the overall levels we're looking at for both upside and downside. If you're looking to be more short bias on the stock, we're not really going to be short bias until around $333. So if Moderna does make it up to that level, once again, we will then just make an updated video on there, because there's not too much point giving those kind of short bias targets all the way up there. But I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Moderna. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.